Ways to reduce the amount of plastic you use in daily life. The onus is on the government and companies to solve the plastic pollution crisis, but we can all do our bit too. There are 500 times more pieces of microplastic in the sea than there are stars in our galaxy, and by 2050 it is estimated there will be more plastic than fish. Do you know about this? Plastic waste has become a pandemic, on land as well as in the world's oceans. What can just one person do about such a global problem? Take these simple steps in daily life. Number 1. Avoid buying items packaged in plastic. Look for produce and other items that aren't over-packaged. Buy food in glass jars rather than plastic ones, and detergents in boxes rather than bottles. Number 2. Use reusable bags or cloth shopping bags. Plastics bags are an eyesore and are dangerous to wildlife. Number 3. Bring a reusable mug when you order coffee. Try to remember to take a reusable cup with you when you visit coffee houses, because only less than 0.5% of disposable cups are recycled properly. Number 4. Skip bottled water. Carry a reusable bottle in your bag. Plastic bottles are one of the top 5 most common types of litter found on beaches. Bottled water is much more expensive than tap water. Number 5. Bring your own container for takeout and leftovers. When ordering takeout or bringing home leftovers, ask if you can get the food in your own reusable container. Number 6. Cook more. Making your own meals doesn't involve takeout containers or doggy bags. Number 7. Wear clothing made from natural materials, not synthetic. Wearing and washing clothes causes fibers to flake off, and polyester clothing is made of plastic. Number 8. Recycle. Plastic recycling is the process of recovering scrap or waste plastic and reprocessing the material into useful products. Number 9. Buy in bulk. Select the bigger container instead of buying several smaller ones over time. Single-serving yogurts, travel-sized toiletries, tiny packages of nuts. Plastic-eating bacteria could save our world. Give it some share and let everyone know. Please subscribe Darla for future makeup tips and advice. 2 minutes life-changing makeup tips and advice. Darla.